show ya. Wish for me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know that the home studio is looking really busy today, but I love what we put together. So this is our beautiful Engracia. And we're doing two lights, two harsh lights. So let me just quickly show you what we're doing. So starting off, my main light is the Flashpoint Explore 400 and it's being modified with this silver umbrella. And that is just going to throw some harsh light onto our subject. And in the back, I have a second light. Yes, so that's the 8200 over there, and that is also being modified with a 7-inch cone, and so that's going to give us like a very harsh light as a rim light. And in the back I have this black paper backdrop which has been set to a stand, and when I come forward a little bit, on the left side I have one C stand and I've draped this red fabric on there, and on the right side I have another C stand that I've also draped this fabric on there, and then she's centered beautifully between the two. So we're going to be taking some test shots and then we'll see how each light is affecting the shot and what we're getting. I'm also going to be shooting with the Canon R5 and the 24-70 art lens, and I'm triggering both lights with the X-T2 trigger. So that pretty much is what we're doing today. I can't wait to start taking some test shots so you guys see what we're doing, and then I'll show you the images as they pop up. So stick and stay. I'm sure you're going to learn something, and we can begin the photo shoot. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, just test out the ambient light and then also introduce the lights I'm using. So for now, I'm turning off my trigger and I'm just taking a test shot. So as you can see, we don't really have a lot of the ambient light, my LED especially, influencing the shot. When I turn the trigger on, we're going to start off with our rim light. So just take a test. As you can see, it's showing through even through the curtains. It's fine. I just want that little light that is edging her out beautifully. So now we're going to go on and turn on our main light. And that is set to 1/8. I'll take a test shot. And as you can see, when these two come together, it gives us this beautiful image. So for my camera setting, just in case you're wondering, I'm at 1/125 on the shutter speed, f2.8, and 100 on the ISO. So now that we have all this out of the way, we can just go ahead and then start grabbing some shots. All right, perfect. Yeah, I love that. I love that. Awesome. Yeah, that's stunning. Ooh, I love that. And raise your head up just a little bit. Ooh, beautiful. Amazing. Okay, I want you to do that, but I don't want the cloth because it shows. I want it to be inside actually, so that we can see. Yeah, just like that. And then you don't need to raise like all the way. It can just be a little bit. Yeah. All right. Ooh, that's no. Bring it down just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Hold that. Awesome. Actually, even put like your feet down and then just bend your knee. Let me actually show you. So over here, you're raising it like up. I want it to touch my toe. Yeah, and then you're just bending your knee. Perfect. Maybe towards the camera a little bit. Is it possible? Yes. And then let me just let this fall. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Ooh, that's it. Stunning. Beautiful. Oh, that's amazing. I'm loving these. I'm still doing full body shots. I'm around 50 mm. That's looking good. Yeah, stunning, stunning. I love, just exaggerate the hip more to that side. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Awesome. So now that I have these full body shots that I absolutely love, I'm going to zoom all the way to like 70 and then take some 3/4 shots just to about her knee level, and then we'll see what we get with that as well. Yeah, I like the when you're holding the cloth even. Like it just like play with it, let it hang around, drip around, that kind of thing. Yeah, beautiful. Ooh, stunning. Beautiful. That's amazing. All right. Okay, now let's just drop it and then let's see what we can do without the excess fabric. Yeah, that's amazing. Perfect. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Can you bring maybe one shoulder in front of the curtain and then the other one can be behind? Yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's a shot. Oh, that's it, that's it. So this thing that you're doing, what you did before, I love that pose, but I just wish the fabric on this side was gonna go behind you. Yes. You don't remember what you did? No, let me show you what you did. Yeah, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Ooh, that is it. Beautiful. Amazing. All right, more. That's it, that's it, that's it. Amazing. Okay, so these are going to be more like of a closer shot. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can still do the full body poses you would. Ooh. But then I'm just shooting a little closer, so that's fine. Yeah, that's amazing. Beautiful. I think try and cover half of your face with this fabric. Ooh. And then your eyes look like in this. Yeah. Look at my hand. Look at this hand. Yeah, right there. Keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Lift your chin a little bit. Yeah. And just lean towards the cloth with your other. Yeah, perfect, right there. Hold that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Ooh, just bring your head out a little bit. Amazing! We have it.
Make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stranger, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you took it all night. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Also leave a like, support the channel. And Gracia, what do you want them to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, don't ever give up. Peace.